So it's Thursday, the 26th of June 2025, and I'm coming at you with an update on some grouting progress. It's been a grouting week. So I started on Monday with the vestibule and continued here in the dining room. So this is my dining room. Let me just reverse. This is my dining room. This is my grouty table. So what I've done is I mosaiced a Mandala series 2 years ago. Well, 22, I think, 2022. It took me a year to complete the mosaic part. The mandalas I created on fiberglass mesh, and the background I did direct method. So it was a better flow. Nothing worse than measuring up and getting it wrong. So here's what I've done the last couple of days. I've grouted all the bits and bobs in between. Now, that can be quite a pain, but I think I managed to nail most of it, especially up here. That looks really good. I'd already grouted all the mandalas, and I thought it was about time I got rid of the white background for the rest of it. So this is what I've been doing for the last couple of days. I hope you like it. Top tips. Make sure that you build in the grout quite thickly when you've got areas that protrude outwards. This, and also we're talking sort of like thick, not doughy, but a little bit thinner than that. So more than thicker than cream, sort of yogurt. You know, not a set yogurt, but yogurty. That way, as you're working vertically, it would apply. But what I've been using is my rubber kidney. And when I've been cleaning it up, I've been using some metal mesh wool. Sponge, sorry. And that's cleaned it up. But you've got to wait for it to cure a little bit more than the usual tiles, because the tiles, especially indoor tiles, are porous, whereas the sections I've been working on is porcelain. So they take a little bit longer to cure, which is a good thing, because I've been working on big areas at a time to finish the work off. So this is what it looks like so far. I've got a plan to put some Victorian Edwardian tiles in between the picture rail and the door frame, and the same here, and of course perhaps a nice little border of tiles right round it. So yeah, so there's lots of plans. It's a work in progress. Well, you can see what I've done so far. So we've got all bits and bobs here, and the mosaic in the little garden side section. So it's Caroline Jerrywella, Mango Mosaics, over and out. And of course, if you are interested in coming to one of my workshops, take a look at my website, which is mangomosaics.co.uk. See you soon. Bye.